I go by Don. The reason for this video is we're going to talk about SeaCast and how SeaCast repairs damaged transoms and stringers, and that there's no other product like it, and how strong and desirable it is, but it has to be done the right way. You have to get all of the old wood out. That being said, let me take off the back of my boat here. I don't actually recommend that someone do like I did and cut the cap like this. But at the time, I was terrified to do anything to my boat. And I watched some videos and I seen others had cut the back cap. And I saw these videos about SeaCast. And this is what SeaCast actually looks like when it's been poured and cured. And this will have 2 layers of fiberglass biaxial laid on top, but we'll talk about that later. So my transom was in very bad shape, and the reason you know that is here's my Evinrude 150, and it's not a light motor by any stretch of the imagination. And you step on the foot and the transom flex, and so that's how you know you have a bad transom. And that's the same thing that a boat repair shop, that's how they check the transom. So I watched these videos and I found out about SeaCast. And also my neighbor Jason, I know he restored his boat. He had either a Javelin or a Skeeter, and my boat is a Javelin 378 Fish and Ski 1990 model, and I love this boat. So talking to SeaCast, and I got lots and lots of helpful, friendly instructions from the owner of SeaCast. They told me I had to take all of the old wood out, every bit of it, of the transom, the center brace, and the knee braces. And that's exactly what I did. I did not know when I first started about fiberglass, but through the owner's instructions and tremendously customer service, I was able to do what I needed to do. And here is almost the finished product now. You can see this is what the SeaCast itself looks like when it's been poured and cured. And for the transom, you pour it in 2 stages. You pour it halfway, that dries and cures, then you pour the second. Now, what's unique about SeaCast is that it's able to adhere to itself. Other products you would have to pour in 1 pour, but not SeaCast. So then it comes in 5-gallon bucket, and it comes with 3 catalysts, and you mix up the product and you pour it in, and then once it's done, you have the fiberglass biaxial, which has the polyester resin and the polyester catalyst that you also get from SeaCast. I get everything from SeaCast. And you cover your work like I've done here, like I'm going to do here, and like I'm going to do here. The purpose of this video is there's another video that was disparaging about SeaCast and saying it was not a quality product and it would not hold up. I can tell you firsthand that's not the case. Well, hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did talking to you about it.